Hello there, in this short video, I will show you how to install WeTV on Hisense Smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe for more important videos like this. So if you want to install the WeTV app or WeTV, just go out to your app store in Hisense Smart TV and launch. This should be look the same like yours because Hisense have just one brand operating system and app store. So go over here and type the name of the application, which is WeTV. Just go over here and type WeTV. Okay, once you type in that, just go ahead and search, and here's the application. So just click on OK, and then it's going to bring you over here to the installation page, which you just have to click install, and the application is going to be installed. Now you're just going to place it, and once you do that, you're good to go. You can go ahead and launch the application and start using it. So if you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.